Ever dream of being your own boss, setting your own hours, and building a business from the ground up? The allure of e-commerce is undeniable, but the thought of managing inventory, shipping logistics, and product fulfillment can be daunting. That's where the magic of dropshipping comes in. With dropshipping, you essentially act as a middleman, connecting customers with products from a supplier who handles all the heavy lifting. You focus on marketing and sales, leaving the storage and shipping to someone else. Sounds pretty sweet, right? But before you jump in headfirst and build your dropshipping empire, there are some key things to consider. One of the biggest questions for any aspiring dropshipper is, what tools do I need to get started, and how much will they cost? Today, we're diving deep into one of the most popular dropshipping plugins on the market, AliDropship. We'll break down everything you need to know about the AliDropship plugin cost, its features, and whether it's the right fit for your online store ambitions. AliDropship plugin. The core engine. AliDropship offers a plugin specifically designed for WordPress and WooCommerce. This nifty tool simplifies the process of adding products from AliExpress, a massive online marketplace, to your store. Think of it as a magic bridge between your online storefront and a world of potential products. Here's the beauty. The AliDropship plugin itself has a one-time fee of just $89. That's right, not a monthly subscription, but a one-time investment that unlocks the full functionality of the plugin. For that price, you get features like easy product import, find winning products on AliExpress, and import them directly into your store with a few clicks. Automatic pricing. Set your desired profit margins and the plugin will automatically adjust product prices on your store. Inventory and order management. Track your product inventory and manage customer orders with ease. Automated content generation. Save time by generating product descriptions based on AliExpress listings. Now, $89 might seem like a steal, but is that the whole story? Let's explore some additional costs you might encounter. Beyond the plugin, building your dropshipping dream. While the AliDropship plugin is a fantastic starting point, there are other expenses to consider when building your online empire. Domain name and hosting. This is the foundation of your online store. You'll need a domain name, your store's web address, and hosting, where your store's files reside. Prices can vary depending on the provider, but expect to spend around $10 to $20 per month. Theme. Your store needs a visually appealing design. You can find free themes, but premium themes often offer greater customization and features. Prices can range from $30 to $200 depending on the theme. Payment gateway. This allows customers to pay for their purchases. Popular options include PayPal and Stripe, which typically charge transaction fees. The investment of marketing. Let's face it, even the most amazing store needs customers to thrive. Here's where marketing comes in. You'll need to invest time and potentially some resources into attracting visitors to your online store. Here are some options. Social media marketing. Utilize platforms like Instagram and Facebook to showcase your products and connect with potential customers. This can be done organically for free, but paid advertising can significantly boost your reach. Search engine optimization. SEO. Optimize your store for search engines like Google, so that potential customers can easily find you. There are free and paid SEO strategies available. Paid advertising. Platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads allow you to target specific audiences with laser precision. While effective, paid advertising requires careful planning and budget allocation. The true cost of AliDropship. So, when you add it all up, how much does it really cost to use AliDropship? Here's a breakdown. Essential costs. AliDropship plugin. $89. One-time fee. Domain name and hosting. $10-$20 per month. Optional costs. Theme. $30 to $200. One-time fee. Marketing. Varies depending on strategy. Free and paid options. With some strategic planning, you can get started with AliDropship for under $200. This makes it a very accessible option for aspiring entrepreneurs. Remember, it's an investment, not just a cost. Think of these costs as an investment in your future business. The AliDropship plugin provides a powerful tool to simplify your dropshipping journey, while the additional costs like domain, hosting, and marketing are essential for building a successful online store. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy dropshipping.